shine bright and keep a clear shut mind. Free is the one that embrace pain and frustration. Living low is at fear, welcoming life as it is. Living low is at fear, welcoming life as it is. Peace, simple as breathing in. Everything that glorifies the beauty of life. Everything that glorifies the undivided truth. Simple as breathing out. Everything that doesn't deserve us. Everything that leashes way. The lightful birds flying. The lightful birds flying. Everything that leashes way. The lightful birds flying. Fully alive, all we have, and beyond this we embrace, and beyond this we embrace, and beyond this we embrace, beyond this we embrace. How do we feel during our darkest time? Can we shine bright and keep a clear shut mind? Free is the one that embrace pain and frustration. Living low is a fear, welcoming life as it is. Living low is a fear, welcoming life as it is. Peace, simple as breathing in. Everything that glorifies the beauty of life. Everything that glorifies an undivided truth. Peace, simple as breathing out. Everything that doesn't deserve us. Everything that leashes and waits. The lightful birds flying. The lightful birds flying. Everything that leashes and waits. The lightful birds flying. Beyond this we embrace.